my goodness.
Did you ever... That hit something. I guarantee you that did.
It was thunder, you Mormon.
That was lightning.
That just made that sound. Lightning doesn't make sound.
That was lightning.
Dad.
Whenever it crackles through the sky, it's breaking the sound barrier. That's why it crackles.
Yeah, okay. Hello, parental unit.
Sonic boom. It's a sonic boom.
It's a sonic boom. This Facebook is my retarded boyfriend.
Isn't it a sonic boom? I'm telling you, it's a loud.
You're about to get a sonic fist in the face, bud.
You're about to get a sonic hand across your head. Miss J. Gennard. I know it all. I'm a meteor. I'm a Justin.
You're the one talking about cracking.
I got my little meteorologist wind thingy-majiggy.
So stupid.
I got me a little thermometer.
Shut up. You smut. Soup.